Marilyn, so the Center 50 Plus has so many different programs, but I'd really like to highlight just one of those programs today. I'd like to talk about the Act Now program that you guys have running. Could you tell us what that is?
Well, actually, ACT Now stands for Awesome Community Team. And really, that's exactly what it is.
Okay.
It's a group of 50 plus volunteers, individuals age 50 and older that volunteer. And what we have done is we've set up an opportunity for them to volunteer throughout the community.
Okay.
So it's just a really fantastic program that's serving our community in a bigger way.
Okay, so when you say that they're volunteering in the community, you mean that you guys have set up volunteer opportunities for them and then they're going out and fulfilling those roles, or how does that work?
Well, we have partners, actually over 30 different community agency partners that need volunteers, and most of the time it's very project specific or short-term or what they're calling episodic, but in event focused. We get job descriptions of things that are coming up, and we ask our volunteers if they're interested in volunteering in these other community partnerships.
Okay.
And so our group gathers and they go out in these teams and volunteer, and we've had really great opportunities. We've been at Marion Polk Food Share, we've been at Family Building Blocks, just a lot of different community resources.
That's great. I bet that that's actually probably a lot of fun for the folks that attend the Center 50 Plus. I'm really curious to know why you started this program though.
Well, the center uses actually volunteers in every capacity at the center. So when the minute you walk in the front door, you're greeted by a volunteer at the reception desk and throughout the building. But what we offer at the center may not always match someone's volunteer interests or needs. And actually, volunteerism is a program component. Connecting people to things that they're passionate about is really one of the dimensions of wellness that we encourage. And when someone comes to us and we can't place them in a job that meets their needs or their interests at the center, we want to connect them to something that they will be excited about and be passionate about. So that's really what we decided to, when we decided to partner with these other agencies, is really about fulfilling that mission to keep people connected to their community and really relevant. And there's a lot of things and a lot of hurts and a lot of needs in our community, and I have this great workforce of older adults that have so much to give. Expertise, time and talent, but expertise, but also the passion. And so we just link those together.
So how many opportunities would you say in a week are there for volunteers?
Well, we accept about 4 to 6 a month. Additional opportunities. And you know, that works really well for people. We have a really active and mobile community. A lot of our folks travel quite a bit. Some are even going to Arizona several months of the year. So making a long-term commitment to one particular organization is challenging. They want to have variety, they want to have choice, they want to have flexibility. That's really what this program addresses.
That's really interesting. Is there anything else about the Act Now program that you'd like to share with us, just to highlight it today?
You know, sometimes going to a new organization that you're not familiar with can be intimidating. What's cool about Act Now is you're going with your peers. You're going with a group. You often fall into a niche with 5 to 8 other volunteers that are choosing the same kind of volunteer opportunities you are. You become friends. It's very social. It's a nice environment. You're getting to sample all of the different nonprofits in town and try things out without that long-term commitment. I think that's really appealing to a lot of people. You can volunteer one time a month. You can volunteer every week. We have something for everyone. And it's so easy to get connected. You can come into the center, we interview everyone, fill out an application, go through a slight background process, and then you're ready to go. And once you're in, we'll connect you to an email contact list, and we communicate with you on a regular basis. But really, it is a fairly simple way to give back to your community and see really what's out there.
Yeah, that's neat. Thank you so much, Marilyn. The Center 50 Plus is one of my favorite places. I'm not allowed to really go there and participate in the classes. I'm not of age yet, but the things that you guys do over there are absolutely amazing. I was so impressed the first time I walked through your doors, and I hope that more people take the opportunity to go over there and check you out.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you for joining me today.
Thanks.